everyone. How are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm gonna show you something interesting things, right? So I'm gonna show you guys whole lamb. How to whole lamb we have to marinate, and how we have to cook the whole lamb, right? So let's start.
So guys, this is our Arabic marination for lamb, and you can see that marination we will put all lamb body everywhere guys. We will put this marination of whole lamb body. You can see I'm putting everywhere of whole lamb body this marination which I prepared. So when I will make new video, then I would like to let you know guys, and I will teach you how we can prepare for marination for whole lamb. It's Arabic marination guys, right? There is onion, garlic, parsley, and chili, tomato paste, and lots of yogurt, salt, pepper. So that marination made by these things. And majorly guys, I would like to let you know, in Arabic cuisine there is no any you know logic, sorry, no any extra things, no any complicated things. So you can see guys, this is my lamb, and it's ready for put inside the oven. You can see over there. So I already put there carrot, onion, some holy spices, as well as you can see around of the lamb. So everything I have already put, and water as well. As guys, water is very important because we will cook this lamb steam roast. So it's time to aluminum foil. So you can see guys, I already put the aluminum foil. So we will just lock all of them, right? So now we have to put inside the oven, right? So you can see how we have to put, and make sure when you are covering by aluminum foil, so it should be nicely, no any break any of any kind of any aluminum. So it will be very important, otherwise all the steam uh, it can be fly. So you can see our steam roast.
A few moments later.
So after our steam roast guys, you can see our lamb has been done. So this is the thing which I want to show you guys. It's a khabuz bread, right, which I am taking. It's a khabuz bread. So it's very important to hold the uh, back part of lamb. So you can see it's now. So guys, you can see our khabuz lamb biryani. It's like a Arabic lamb biryani. It's not a spicy, not spicy like some other
हाँ
Asian
शेफ.
countries. It's a normal guys. Anyone can, they can have it easily. No any spices, only aroma, only flavor.